Hey friends, Zen Kuna here. We're going to use a lightweight Indian clubs. We've all got clubs that are about 3 pounds. So we're going to do backhand shifts and then put in a variety of movements with those. So just follow along with us, make it fun. So we're going to start with a backhand shift just side to side, just to get it warmed up. So we're working that back circle. If you don't know how to do this backhand circle shift, look at some of my other videos where I demonstrate it. For today, we're now going to add a back circle cast. So what this is doing is preparing us for heavier club, mace, and kettlebell play. Then we're going to go into a single cross and backhand shift. Single cross, backhand shift. Next up, we'll do a salute. Then we're going to do a single cross with one arm and a salute with the opposite arm. Single cross and salute. Then we're going to reverse it. We're going to do the salute with the opposite arm and the single cross with the opposite arm. All right, so that gives you a basic pattern that you can wrap into your own workout for today. I'm going to show you just one more thing, and that is going front hand shift, backhand shift. So we do front hand shift and a front hand shift. So there's your basic shifts in the front. If you then go into the back, get your backhand shift to a front hand shift. Then we're going to shift again and go the other direction. Then what we're going to do is take the club higher when we go out to the side. So up, front hand shift, up, backhand shift, up, front hand shift, up, backhand shift, up. You get the idea. And call it done. So take your single club and swing, 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 because it don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing.